Okay, the onions and garlic are getting a little scorched because I took some time to set up that camera. So they're really starting to stick. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to deglaze the pan. So I'm taking some mushroom broth and I'm just going to pour some in. And what that's going to do is it's going to get all the stuff that's stuck to the bottom of the pan is going to come up, and it makes it, it really utilizes all that good caramelized stuff that is cooked on the bottom of the pan, and it gives it a lot of really good flavor. So you can see that now nothing is stuck to the pan. The liquid got it all off. So that's how you saute with no oil. You just have to have some kind of liquid. You can even just do this with water, but I'm using mushroom broth to give it a little more flavor. Now, before this starts to dry out again, I'm going to put in the greens. They'll start to wilt down and they'll make their own water. So they will add moisture to the pan. You always want to sort of have a visual on these greens because you might find some icky ones in here that you need to pick out. These are pre-washed. I mean, some people still like to wash them even though they're pre-washed, but I'm just throwing them in. It's fine. So I'm going to keep an eye on that, and I will add mushroom broth as needed as they start to wilt down.